welcome to MSP Five Flawless Friends. Okay, anyways, I'm Abby. As you can see, I'm not playing with pain. Nope. I am playing the maze game. Apparently, it's supposed to be scary, and there's zombies going to attack you, or whatever. I don't know. But I've seen people play this. What the heck? What the heck? I swear this game is glitched. I've seen this on YouTube, and even when you search up this game, there's images right below the website. Oh my god, is this actually lagging? Oh god. There's images right below the game, and you can see the zombie face that's gonna pop up. This game is lagging. Oh my god, maybe because I have MSP in my other tab. And like, once I refreshed, I was on private, and I just logged in, and bam, like bad. I couldn't even close the tab. And oh my god, guys, look! I swear I won't be touching the walls, but apparently, I forgot to turn down my noise. What the heck's Red Bull? Red Bull's haunting me. God, okay. I'm just gonna go to MSP now. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. My dog just barged in the room I'm in. Okay, I'm recording people. So, last time I played this, I turned down my volume so it didn't hear me. Oh my god. Just a second, my dog's crying because he can't open the door. Because this is MSP Five Flawless Friends, I have no choice but to play MSP. By the way, when that zombie face popped up, you might have heard a big smack. That was me, like, smacking my face. Yeah, somebody said hi. Oh, finally, I can open the chat. They say hi back. I don't know, maybe you guys do. I can. Why am I at Starbucks? I'm sorry, but like, what am I doing right now? Oh yay! Give me an auto. Oh my god! I haven't opened this in a week. I open it every once a week. 84 views. God, that's just insane. My record is top page one day and night. Same thing. Okay, collect, give me claim, give me my rocket. Oh my god. What the heck? Report, blah blah blah, for an auto. I'm sorry, that doesn't make sense. I should open my bank, but I promised myself I would open it in a week, but dang, that's not happening. You can watch the money flow. Yeah, piggy bank's not that fun. Wait, oh my god. Oh, I'm 59, but I have no guys. Hi, YouTube, but I can't click that. It won't let me. Oh, it's letting me. Yay, I clicked it. Hey. Heart. Enter. Close. Let's just see if I have like any wishes to show you guys. Oh, I have two. From this fabulous pink blue outfit. That looks like a bubblegum. Do I have an accent right now? Cause like, I don't know, I'm speaking normal. I don't know. I'm not good with. You're kidding me. I did not. Especially lady? Seriously. Thought you gave me a wishy. Just so mean. So I guess I only have one wishy. Okay, so is it that? Don't want to look at that. And probably blah. What do I do? What do I do now? Just watch me move my mouse. Watch me work it. let me work my math. Okay, yeah, and motion moves give me like, so. But I want something that stands out so everybody knows I'm recording. Round and round like a horse on a carrot. We go. And I'm just writing that. I should have put on some music. I'm sorry, guys. Now we just said, whew, okay. I'm nervous. I don't know that. Okay, I think I should just end this video right now because like nobody really cares. Nobody saying hi. Says, yeah. Bye. Well, actually, I'm gonna sad to say that. And her.